Check out this 2008 Toyota Tacoma. Only one other person had the privilege of owning this great vehicle. When the owner traded this vehicle in, he stated that the mileage was accurate. This auto needs nothing but a new home. Never smoked in, upholstery in near perfect condition. There appears to be no damage beyond normal wear on this vehicle. There is not a door ding on this vehicle. This is one fine-looking, garage-kept vehicle. This auto's tranny is smooth. No skip or slip when it shifts. Electrical systems are in perfect working order. Carfax shows this vehicle is a one-owner vehicle. We stand behind this vehicle and the Carfax report available to you free of charge. This vehicle is certified pre-owned and comes with all the benefits of a CPO warranty. Please call for details. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $21,995. Contact the dealership today.